Everybody, welcome back to Train Talks. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to take a look at the Allegheny, Chesapeake and Ohio, cab number 1637. This one does not have a smoke generator. It does have sound and a light, so I'm going to turn the headlight on. There we go. Yeah, you can hear that generator. Now let's try it going forward. It does have sounds. And you can see a little fire in the, if you take a look in there in the cab, you can see the light for the fire is on. I think that's pretty cool. Let's go forward a bit also, because I want to show you the reverse light, the backup light. The sounds are pretty good actually on this one. Let's do backup. There, backup light came on. In reverse, very nice. I wish this had smoke. Maybe one day I'll get one that has a smoke generator. Anyway, this is the Allegheny. It does remind me of the Challenger a bit, I guess only because of the wheel arrangement. 2666. Oops. I hit a piece of paper there. Anyway. It runs great. This is also one of my favorites. I love the light in the firebox and the engineer's cab there. I think that's a cool feature. I don't know why Broadway doesn't have that. Or MTH. This is a Bachman actually. So I like the sounds, I like the lights. I just wish it had smoke. I don't know why Bachman didn't put smoke on these. But I really love the glow of the firebox there, the firebox glow. Like how much would that be to put in an engine? Like how much effort? It just, to me, it's a great addition to have. Anyway, let's back it up. Again, you can hear the brake squeal a little bit. Not a lot. Try the horn again, or the whistle, I should say. Pretty basic in the bell. There's a brake squeal too, you can hear it, even with the bell. Okay, let's slow it down. There's no startup or shutdown sequence. There we go. You could hear the brake squeal a bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry that this is a brief video, but I wish that this had more functions and the smoke generator. But it does have the glow in for the firebox and the engineer's cap. I'm going to actually end it with that. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to Train Talks.